Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy BeDistinct. If you're new to the channel, I have a supercharged G35, but I also picked up this brand new 2023 Nissan Z from Phoenix, Arizona. While on my visit in Los Angeles, we had the awesome opportunity to get filmed by my brother Josiah over at Colorized Films, and he was able to shoot a nice cinematic of the Z. But while we were shooting, we decided to do a little race on the Nissan Z. It only had 550 miles at the time of this race. I have never done a full throttle pull on the Z before. I actually didn't know this, but this video was released on Instagram by Colorized Films, and I didn't know this at the time, but it turns out that that 370 is a full bolt-on tuned 370z NISMO. I didn't know it at the time, but that's what it is. Obviously, this is bone stock. It's actually on airbag suspension, but besides that, it's completely stock from the motor, nothing done to it. And you will see two runs. We did two runs. On the first one, I tried to do a third gear pull. I thought it would do it because the car feels fast, and then obviously didn't cut it, so I pulled down to second gear on that second run. With that being said, that's enough of me yapping. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the Nissan Z. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys at the end. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're probably gonna end up leaving back home for the first time ever. So the Z is going to be landing home for the first time ever, even though it already has some mods. But before we go to Sacramento, we actually have one last appointment here in SoCal before we leave. We're actually gonna meet up with Icebox, the guy who bagged my Nissan Z. I'm so used to saying G35 because that's the only car I have, but now since I have a Z, so if I say G35, my bad. But he's the same guy who bagged my Nissan Z, and we're gonna meet up with him one last time, and we're gonna meet up with Fly One Motorsports. So that's gonna be pretty sick. We're headed there right now. Let's head over there. We're kind of late. Let's bounce. I forgot to say this, but if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the Nissan Z. We're heading to Fly One right now. We're on the road, but we're getting a bunch of people reacting to the car like as we go, and it's pretty cool. I think one of them we actually saw at NISFest. I may be wrong, but I think we saw him at NISFest. So huge shout out to you guys saying hi to me like on the road. It's freaking sick. But yeah, we're just heading to Fly One. Just want to let you guys know because I keep seeing them fly by and say like, hey, what's up? And I keep missing it on camera, and I want to get you guys too. Alright guys, we're here with Icebox. You might have seen him in the last video, bagging the Z. And then this is my brother here, Oscar.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Society. What's up, man? Tell the fans, man, what do you do, man?
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Oscar with Society's Acoustics. So we're out here at the shop right now. Homie Ruben came through, brought the Z out. Surprise first Z out, Z bagged out here. Honestly, really impressed, couldn't believe it. Super slam, so I'm really motivated to get on this chassis right now, see what we can do with it. Hopefully we can get some custom seat brackets, roll bar, harness bar, kinds of stuff to support it, make it a lot much more reliable, much more safer, just because I know these cars come twin turbo, so obviously, you know, they're really pretty fun cars.
Yeah, but, so he's already working on new parts for the Z, guys. Like,
this thing is not being left alone. Like behind the works, I know there may not be a lot of available parts out there, but they're on it behind the scene. Like parts are gonna start flying soon, like pretty soon. So
yeah, honestly, it should be a couple of weeks and we already got some stuff going on.
Hell yeah, dude.
Like I said, the fact that it's already basically kind of a 370Z chassis is gives a lot of makes it a little easier, you know, advantage for us, just to kind of get a heads up. But for the most part, the chassis is pretty amazing. I really like it. I'm surprised how it came out, and I couldn't be any more happier with the way it turned out. So first one being back that I see, honestly, can't wait to see the rest of the stuff.
Yeah, what do you think, man? I know my Fitment's kind of shitty right now,
bro. We gotta start somewhere, but like, you know, I mean, man, these wheels are so sick already. Like,
hell yeah.
It's just, I wish it just, you know, maybe we had 3-piece or something.
Oh, that would be sick.
Hey, has anybody done like a 3-piece OEM one? Like a
I mean, not on this style. This is definitely a lot unique design, especially coming out on the Proto Z itself, the raised on there. But like I said, this even 3-piece this style would be pretty sick, because I mean, this was kind of a design is kind of different, unique. Sick. So,
bro, I know someone's gonna start rushing. They want to be the first one
for what?
On NISMO wheels, bro.
Oh, dude,
instantly. Someone's gonna do it. I already know.
I mean, it'll be like right away. I'm pretty sure in the next couple of weeks, as soon as I'll be like, yo, let me borrow your NISMO wheels.
Yeah, honestly, just done. A picture.
Hey, yo, you gotta beat it to the punch. You know what I mean? Just try it out. But the only thing is, you gotta put the rears all around. That's the most aggressive setup. Have you noticed anything on temperatures, like how hot it gets when you're like driving a little bit more
like the
above
oil
average,
engine, or
like your temperature, oil temperature?
I mean, I haven't pushed it, to be honest, just because I was trying to break in the engine. But when we were over there with Josiah over there pushing the car, I mean, it reached temperatures like about 210 oil temps, or like a 210,
so
and they kind of
similar to the 370, so to speak. So obviously, the first thing I'd recommend on my end, maybe some oil coolers or something, just to kind of keep it a little extra.
Is that the same thing like as a heat exchanger or not?
The oil cooler basically what it does is it gives a cord to be able to bypass, go in there to cool the oil, a second row to go in there, like basically a second cooler for your oil. So that helps a lot with the cool down, because I'll see like degree temperatures as low as like 20 degrees lower than standard.
Oh, really?
So like sometimes you're like going really fast, you're smashing. You're like 220, which is super high. It tends to be like, you start causing some like head gasket issues and all that.
Oh,
so
really?
I tell everybody, like, the first thing you do to anything,
just cool the oil.
Try to get the oil. I mean, the cool down on that, just because, like I said, all Z's from the oldest to the newest, they all run really hot.
And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, ended our Los Angeles trip. It was super fun. Met so many different people along my trips. Man, dude, I really wish I can just go down to Los Angeles area and just live there. I hate the city because of the traffic and everything, and the roads and all the freaking dips, bro. Why would you put a dip right before going into the highway? I hate everything about Los Angeles, but everybody is down there. All the connections are down there. Man, dude, like, it would be so beneficial for the channel to be down there. So many collabs would happen down there. Oh man, dude, kind of sucks now being here in Sacramento, so far away. I need to start meeting more people up here, or NorCal needs to expand more in the car industry or something, man. But we are finally back. As you guys can see, the G35 officially met the Nissan Z. The Nissan Z now has about 1,000 miles. Man, I don't know. I don't know if it was because I didn't drive it too much, but now the clutch in this car is ridiculously hard. We're gonna take it to go get gas, but dude, it is so hard. And I don't know if this is just too light, but I've been falling in love with the Z so hard, man. I know the front end was controversial, but once you see it in person, it's actually not bad. The wheel color combination is good. The black, everything is good. The interior is absolutely beautiful. The cluster, just everything about the car is so well made. Like, bro, I'm falling in love with it, guys. I don't know, dude. I love the G, bro. It has so much emotional value to me because it is what started everything. But dude, after just driving a newer car and possibly even faster, because this thing is no slouch, it is quick. I don't know, man. Anyways, more videos to come. I don't want to keep on talking. More videos to come with the Z and also with the G. So I'll catch you guys next episode. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. As always, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me a ton. So I'll catch you guys next episode. Peace.